Hey guys, Lech here. Part 2 of my Spyderco Para 3 real and clone comparison. I wanted to make a quicker video as the other one was a bit long, so if somebody just needs a quick clip, to show you all the differences. Just so you guys know, there's two types of Para 3. There's the one with the G-10 scales, and then there's the ones with these FRN type of scales, which is a plastic composite. I'll put comments to explain exactly what it is. And there's a few variations, but basically there's a black one, all black. Then there's the black scales with the steel finish, like this thing. And then you have black plastic scale ones with different types of blades, metals, that is. And then there's a few color variants for the special edition ones made by some, released on only some specific sites. So to get right into it, Para 3, right from the top, real, clone. Easy way to tell. With the all black one is the blade color finish. Obviously this one's super shiny, just poor quality finish. If you look at the writing itself, Spyderco, it looks really off on the clone Para 3. CPM S30V is possible for this model, as those were available before, but now Spyderco switched everything to S45VN. So I have not seen a clone that actually says S45VN period. To give you the top view here, as you can see, a little difference where the lock is. There's a space here, no space here. In the back, the clip is on the other direction, but that can be relocated. So just to show you the clip comparison, a lot more defined on the real one, more like a laser etched on the fake one. The inside, pretty much the same. Let's compare the screws. So the real one, there's a little higher indent on this bump. The screws are a little different as well. There's a little hole I noticed in the replicas on the bottom of the screws. The real ones don't have any holes in there. And then the lanyard hole, not as finished as nicely. Still, you would have to have it side by side to tell, but hopefully this will help you. This is a lot cleaner finish. And same difference with the screws here. The G-10 scales are pretty much spot on. Maybe a little bigger holes in the clone than the real one, but it's very hard to tell. Besides that, the blade is extremely sharp as well, just like the real one. But I'm assuming it's probably D2 steel or something like that. So the shape and the size-wise, they're pretty much spot on. To show you guys, this will be the G-10. This is also a clone G-10 with the steel blade. Also, you can see the weird Spyderco writing. So the Para 3, they didn't do a good clone yet. Maybe there will be more comments, so be careful. But same thing with the silver one. The hole in the screw, that's a no-no. And the lanyard hole, a little thicker, the actual metal tubing. And you can see that it's not as smooth of a finish where the screw is. It's more just rough cut. And same thing, laser etched on the clip for the logo. The location is actually in the right spot on this one, so as you can see, you can't tell that. The writing is actually really good on this side though, so that'd be hard tell. Let me go back to the black one as well. A little color difference. The real one is almost like a grayish white. This is like just white, and has all the other logos. This indent looks right, and so on. So that's the G10 model. Then we have the lightweight version, right? So the lightweight, I got a clone here, and you can see right off the top that there is a difference in color, but there is actually two types of colors. There is the jade green, which this is, and then there's like a mint or something, which maybe this clone is off. But as you guys can see, the Para 3 logo on the writing, and on the clone, no shine. The indents are not as defined. Same with the scale itself. Big difference right there. The screws, actually very close on the screws. The real one has a little bigger hole opening for the screw as opposed to the clone. This clip looks about right. The big giveaway with the lightweight model, you can hear the opening. That's all of them. The color versions are going to be different types of steel. So CPM-M4 is on the jade green one. The CTS BDN1 is only on the black handle ones and the all black blade, or the silver blade, but with the black handle ones. So that's one quick giveaway. You know this is a clone because the steel is wrong. Same with the blue one here. The blue one is also a clone, and this is actually supposed to be SPY27 for the blue one. So another quick giveaway, you know, but just to show you what the clone looks like compared to the real one. Just different quality finish on that. The blade, probably D2 steel, as with most clones, which is still good quality steel. The knife is sharp as heck. The writing is actually really spot on here. Same with the clip. Let's compare the... And as you guys can see with the lightweight, everything is very close. So really the big markers, this is a little more defined here, the teeth. Let me check the green one. Same thing, you can see the real one, the teeth are a little more defined, but very close. The logos, very close. The biggest giveaway will be the scale and the steel it's marked. So it seems they all say CTS BDN1, black or different colors, which is not right. And I'll post some pictures at the end of this video to show you guys comparison of all the ones I found. So that's that. Another quick comparison, the boxes. All authentic Spydercos always have a sticker. Don't go by if they made in the USA is touching the letters, because the numbers, because it looks like it no longer does. In the old Paramilitary 2 it used to. So that's probably just an update. But quickly compare boxes. 2 replica boxes here, authentic one here. As you can see, the Spyderco logo is bigger. The gray stripe is very visible. It's barely visible on these. Spyderco writing is too big on this one. Spyderco writing is too big here. The logo is too big. The back, same thing. It's all oversized and missing the sticker. Also, most of the clones don't come with any paperwork, and if they do, it's very like shiny printed, and it's not knife specific. When you get an authentic Spyderco, now the new ones come with this color manual, and you will see it's not blurry, it's nice and clear, and it's actually going to talk about the knife you just purchased. So that's one quick giveaway, but that's just the box. The box can be replaced. And those are the big giveaway, guys. I hope that's helpful for you. Stay tuned for a couple more pictures of showing comparisons. Thanks for watching. Oh, and just to show you, listen to the click. Real and fake, just drops. No click. That's just loose. Real one, you just have a nicer thump. You always want to have that click. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, follow, and I got more coming.